The sixth round consists of 6 sets of 4 short pins and 1 plus pin. That's 36 stitches. Now let's hook the first set at the point of the draw. Bottom needle. A short needle. Marking buckle. 2 short needles. 3 short needles. 4 short stitches. 1 plus pin. Make the stitches in the same eye. This is the first group, then there are 5 more groups. Let's finish it. Round 6 we're done. Hit the marker button. Drawing. Pull a pin tight. The 7th round consists of 6 sets of 5 short pins and 1 plus pin. That's 42 stitches. We'll hook the first short needle where the draw ends. Marking buckle. Second pin. Three short needles. 4 short needles. 5 short needles. 6 short needles. After the 7th loop, we're done pulling. A rise pin. The 8th loop is made up of 6 groups. 6 short needles. A plus needle composition. That's 48 stitches. Now let's start ticking the first group. Hook the first short needle where the length is drawn. Marking buckle. Two short needles. Three short needles. 4 short needles. 5 short needles. 6 short needles. 1 plus pin. It's 2 short stitches in the same eye. That'll finish the first set. Let's finish the next 5 groups. Finish the 8th circle. Each raised needle. Start the hook 9 through 13 is the same. Not more, not less. 48 short stitches. The first short stitch. Add a marker button. Second pin. Hook 48 short needles all the way. And then we're gonna hook these 2 loops. Round 13 is LUNUAFVY. Material marking buckle pull. Tensioning. A rise pin. Lap 14 is 6 sets. 6 short needles. A reduction stitch is composed. That's 42 stitches. Now the first stitch. A short needle. Marking buckle. Two short needles. 3 short needles. 4 short stitches. 5 short needles. 6 short needles. 1 reducer. Adjust to outside half stitches. Drawing lines. Regulating. This is the first group. And then we have to check 5 more. Loop 14 is LUNUAFVY. Remove marker buckle. Drawing. Finish. Tensioning. A rise pin. Lap 15 is 6 sets. 5 short needles. A reduction stitch is composed. That's 36 stitches. Now we're doing a standing stitch here and here. The first short stitch. Fill in the marking button. Two short needles. 3 short needles. 4 short needles. 5 short needles. A reduction needle pick. Then the outer half of the 2 wide stitches. Stay wire. Pull the wire again. This is the first set. And then we have to check 5 groups. Round 5 is LUNUAFVY. End of drawing. a rice pin. Lap 18 is 6 sets, 4 short stitches and 1 reduced stitch. That's 30 stitches. We need to make the first needle. A short needle. Marking buckle. 3 short needles. 3 short needles. 4 short stitches. 1 reducer. Adjust the outer half of the 2 stitches. Redraw. That'll finish the first set. And then we check 5 more groups. Round 18 is alpha. Remove the marking button. Hook a standing pin. There were 6 sets in lap 19. 3 short needles, 1. A reduction stitch is composed. That's 24 shots in all. We'll hook the first short pin at the point of the draw. Hook the first short stitch. Marking buckle. 3 short needles. 3 short needles. 1 reducer. Pick the outer half of the 2 white stitches. Pull the wire and pull the wire. The first set is finished. We then check the remaining 5 groups. Lap 19 is alpha. End of drawing. Tensioning. A rice pin. Lap 20 is 6 sets. Consists of 2 short needles and 1 reduced needle. That's 18 stitches. Let's hook the first short pin.